Alright guys, today's install is going to be a phone mount for the interior of the Jeep, and I'm going to show you how to install it today. So obviously there's several different phone mounts on the market. We found a budget-friendly one from Voswitch. Just see if it's comparable and if it works well. It's $100 cheaper than most of them on the market. So let's see what's in the box and what you get with it. So let's check out what's inside the box. So it comes wrapped up pretty nice. All right, so I kind of moved the arms around just to get a feel for what it is. Everything's plastic. You get your dual phone mount, so you should separate when you put your phone in. And this is for your GoPro or camera mount. And then everything should just be 2 screws, it looks like, just to mount it in place. If you're not using the camera mount, you could take this piece out and you still get a little storage tray there, so that's kind of nice. So let's get out to the garage and get it installed. All right guys, so it should only take one tool, just a Phillips screwdriver to get this installed. So we'll hop in now and get it going. All right, so we're gonna get inside the Jeep. We're looking at this area right here. There is a little pad right here, so we'll just lift that off. It should be exposing the screw right here and screw right there. Before we do anything, mine's all dusty and gross, so I'm gonna wipe it out real quick, make sure it's clean before we install the new product. All right guys, so we're just gonna take out this first bolt here. Once again, I'm just using a Phillips screwdriver. And then we're just gonna get the second bolt out. We're gonna grab our mount and then we're just gonna set it in place. Should be like that. All right, so we're gonna take our screws we just took out and then we're gonna put them back in place in these 2 little slots right here. I switched over to a little bit longer screwdriver just because this wasn't getting deep enough to get that tightened up. So we're just gonna finish tightening this one here. All right guys, I probably wouldn't overly tighten this because you're tightening onto plastic and I don't know if it may crack it if you over tighten it. But it's pretty nice and snug now, so I think we're good there. Let's get these adjusted and get some phones mounted up. All right guys, so to get everything in place, just grab your phone. I'd probably just get it mounted into place where you like it. And then there's just a little knob like you see right here on both sides. Just loosen it. And then you can kind of, when you loosen it, it loosens this end and the end up here. And you can kind of twist it and turn it wherever you think you like it. And turn it until it's tight. Maybe not over tighten because everything on this is plastic, so just be careful when you're tightening everything. That's what it looks like all mounted up. All right guys, so I don't have any use right now for the camera mount, so I'm just gonna take it out. That way it's just not sitting there. And just removes like that. All right, once you get it taken off, just store it somewhere so you can have it for later on use. All right, let's go take this for a quick drive and then we'll see if it vibrates and see if it works well. All right guys, I do recommend this mount. At the time of filming, it's under $100. I believe it was like $68 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. But if you're looking for a phone mount and trying to keep your phone out of the cup holders and on the side of this e-brake here, definitely give this a try, check it out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button. We're always trying to grow the channel and give you guys great content. We'll see you in the next video.
You